Sorry, the wind picked up real bad there for a minute, but back to it. As I'm going to make stair, just slight grades, and then I want to do watermelon, squash, cucumber. It'll have all day sun, cleared out all the way to over there. But I've also dropped all this here. I've got to get this pulled out. I've already got the big sections cut up to 101 inches to take them off to the lumber yard. And I don't know if you guys will remember, but this used to be a whole bunch of them. I've cut them all down. I've cut the big one that was right there down. So now I have sunlight all day. I've got to get these stumps out. This is all going to be tilled up, and I'm going to make a tree orchard right there. I plan to put 2 apple, 2 plum, 2 peach, 2 pear. Get that going, and then up here I got this area going. I've already kind of raked it over a little bit, been driving back in here with the tractors, but I don't know if you remember some of my older videos. There's a whole bunch of trees, one here and a whole bunch here. I still gotta yank out, and then I'm gonna close it from here to here, kind of help keep the deer out. I'm gonna try something called a 3D fence, and I'll video that and let you see how that goes. But my fruit trees that I planted yesterday, these are my 2 plum trees. Those are my 2 apple trees up there. I'm actually gonna dig a big hole and move them over there. That big tree there, I still got to get it down. And then this whole area here is going to get ripped up, and this will be where tomatoes and spices, herbs, things like that. Some more sensitive plants will be in that high rise right there. But I've got all this, that over that hill area there, the plot that you can see. I'm going to do green beans there. This whole area right here is going to be potatoes all the way through it. And then, like I said, right through here will be other stuff. I have a grape vine right here somewhere. Where is it? Once it gets growing, I need to figure out how to keep this stuff from growing up. Not too far. It's either this one or the next one. Yeah, this one. There it is. I got grapes that are growing right there. Let me get this crap out the way. Right there. The goal is to try and see if I can't get grapes to grow all the way down. And all the way down, I mean, even if it really doesn't fruit, what I'd like is the barrier. And I don't know if you can see it right over there. My blueberry bush is doing good. I need to get a second one. I'm debating whether to till that out and just put it in a giant pot. Get 2 or 3 of them, just put them in 30-gallon pots and just let them grow somewhere. That fence is gonna have to be redid. I fell a tree on it on accident. But yeah, I'm gonna run a fence there. That'll be where my peas grow. Let me get down here. I'll show you some of the other stuff I've been working on. Clearing out some of the woods, thinning this out a little bit, let some sun get down in here, and maybe I can get some grass instead of poison ivy and thorn bushes. But, I mean, you can see all the way through there now. That used to not be doable. But that's kind of where I'm at. And then, like I said, I'll be doing the 3D fence. I'll talk more on that. I got some more plots up at the top of the hill, but y'all know, but my driveway is, the road's probably 3 or 4 distances from this pole to that pole to the street up there. Next time I'm up there, I'll kind of show you. I've got an area tilled out. I'm going to grow some mammoth sunflowers, and then I've got an area where I'm going to grow, I'm going to try 600 to 800 corn. See how that goes. And until next time, see you guys.